Cotton. Construction. This stylish throw is 100% cotton and measures 50 by 60. Quality in the details. Modern patterns pair with the decorative fringe for the perfect finish that won't unravel in the wash. Fits the rustic, vintage, or distressed look. This throw has a very chic and trendy look. Throw over a couch or chair to add a splash of color and provide warmth on a cold night. Versatile. Use DIY throw blankets to stay warm, as a decor piece, over a chair or couch, to wrap housewarming gifts, as a picnic blanket, when camping, and more. Discover DII. DII offers an assortment of quality home and kitchen products. Click the DII link at the top of this page to explore more. These versatile throws are a great addition to a living room or bedroom. DII offers a wide variety of throws in different colors, patterns, and materials to ensure you find the perfect one to match your vision of a perfectly balanced interior. Our throws are useful any time of the year. Keep warm in the fall and winter season, and freshen up your rooms with a pop of color during spring and summer. Keep one on your couch, chair, or bed for cozy nights by the fireside, or take outdoors for chilly summer evenings on the porch or patio, or for a little picnic at your local park. Top reviews from the United States. Great throw for my living room chairs. I bought new chairs for my living room and needed something to dress them up a bit. Found this throw online and ordered it to see if the color matched my chairs. It was perfect, so I ordered another matching one for my other chair. They look great. Thanks.